How can you find the history behind a mourning brooch? Have you ever held a mourning brooch and wondered about the story it carries? These pieces of jewelry are more than just adornments. They are heartfelt tributes to loved ones lost. To uncover the history behind a mourning brooch, you need to pay attention to several key details. First, start by examining the hallmarks and maker's marks. These are the official stamps that indicate the metal's purity and the maker's identity. Sometimes, they even reveal the year and place of manufacture. Hallmarks can provide reliable clues about the brooch's origin and date. However, be cautious, as some pieces may have fake stamps to appear older or more valuable. Make sure the wear on the hallmarks matches the rest of the brooch to help verify its authenticity. Reference books on hallmarks can be very helpful in identifying these marks accurately. Next, identify the materials and craftsmanship. Mourning brooches from the Victorian era and earlier often feature specific materials like jet, black glass, enamel, onyx, agate, or gold. A unique aspect of genuine mourning jewelry is the use of human hair, known as hairwork, woven into the design. The quality of materials and craftsmanship can also indicate the brooch's time period and social context. Look for symbolism and inscriptions as well. Mourning brooches frequently include symbols associated with grief, such as crosses, weeping willows, flowers, and silhouettes of the deceased. Inscriptions with names, initials, or dates often provide direct evidence of the person being commemorated. These inscriptions can sometimes be found on the back or inside the piece. Assessing signs of age and wear is another important step. Authentic antique mourning brooches typically show signs of age, such as a natural patina or minor repairs. If a brooch looks too pristine, it might be a modern reproduction. Solder marks or added components can indicate that the brooch has been altered or passed down through generations, which is common as mourning jewelry was often kept within families. Consulting experts and reference guides can also be beneficial. Because mourning jewelry can be complex to authenticate, reaching out to experienced antique jewelers or collectors is advisable. They can provide guidance on cleaning and preserving delicate materials without causing damage. Reference guides on mourning and sentimental jewelry can help you distinguish between the two, as they may look similar but serve different purposes. Lastly, consider the historical context. Understanding the cultural significance of mourning jewelry can help interpret the brooch's meaning. For instance, Queen Victoria popularized black mourning jewelry after the death of Prince Albert in 1861, making Victorian mourning brooches particularly common and collectible. Knowing the styles and customs of mourning jewelry from different eras can provide further clues about the brooch's provenance. Finding the history behind a mourning brooch involves careful examination of hallmarks, materials, symbolism, inscriptions, and condition. Consulting experts and understanding historical context will help you authenticate the piece and appreciate its sentimental value.